Today I'm going to be rethreading a hole on the head, so attempting to rethread it. About a year ago I changed the valve covers and I thought it was that, the gasket, and it wasn't that. When I took it off, it pulled one of the threads with the bolt. And I'm going to be rethreading it. So if you don't feel comfortable, if you're going to do this to your car, please do not do it. Take it to your local mechanic. This is the tool we're going to use to rethread the hole. As you can see, it has numbers. It's pretty much a whole kit. Pretty much you grab this and you look for it on the threads. You see how this one 1.0 matches with this one? But if you so you could go lower, it does not matches. You can go higher, it will not match as well. It's like just try and bite on it. So I believe 1.0 is the best for it. Then when you have that, you go to your kit. I already had it set up. And this one is pretty much called the tap and die set. You can see there's 1.0. Pretty much, and if you have doubts if this thing does not work, you could match the threads like this. As you can see, the right hole has threads and the left one does not. They came off clean. I'm going to be using a quarter-size drill bit to make the hole. And also went to Harbor Freight to buy this adapter. As you can see, no drill cannot fit in there, the ones I have. So hopefully this works. As you can see, this is the tool I use. I got it at AutoZone. It came with a whole kit. It came with little thread enters right here, as you can see in the bottom. It came with its own cutting tool right here, tap and die, or I just cut. It also came with a little handle. This handle is useful. You put it in here and pretty much put it like that. But for me, I didn't have no clearance, and then had to make my own tool. Tool I use, I pretty much got an Allen key, like itself. And I use one of these. Came with the toolbox. It's like a, let me see. Pretty much put the tool here, the socket or the spanner. Sorry, put the spanner or the wrench here. You put whatever you want here towards the end, but this is what I use. I put this towards the extension in case I need a little bit of length. I use an Allen key, fits perfectly in here. Then I put the tool that I needed as in here. That's what I use. And I didn't put the the foot pounds of the valve cover bolts. I didn't have the book, but I would put it on the description. And I used a 1/4-inch drill bit, but I was too afraid to go a little bit over and have a bigger mess. So I went to AutoZone, found this kit, has everything you need, and I double checked my math. Should have been alright with this one. I should be okay, and it was. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you for the video. Thank you for watching.